Very good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. First of all, on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. On your videos, Rashika Reddy and Akshaya, Vignesh, Sanjay, Sai Teja, Sai Rutvik, Shashi. What happened, children? Do you want worksheet or not? Some are children, already 15 members are collected worksheets. What about remaining children? Tomorrow onwards, worksheet explaining, I will start, Amma. I will start explaining from worksheet. So, everyone, those who are not collected worksheets, those members come to school and collect your worksheets. Tomorrow onwards, I will start. Okay? Remaining teachers also, they will start. Already 15 students collected. Only remaining children, some are there. Everyone must you collect your worksheets and complete. Day wise you complete. Tomorrow onwards I will start. Okay. Next from textbook we are discussing about profit and loss. Yes, profit and loss 9th unit and exercise 9.1. Some problems are completed. Yes. Did you complete total exercise? 8th one and 9th one completed, children. Shall I explain 8th one and 9th one? I sent homework. Okay, Satvik. Okay, sir. Only one students, two students only completed. What about remaining children? They did not send me. Ninth unit. Profit and loss. Exercise 9.1. Eighth one. Now I am explaining 8th one, children. Once read the problem. I am not writing problem. Okay, explanation only I am writing, children. So write only explanation. From your textbook write the problem. Okay. Now a merchant bought 74 kgs of rice for rupees 999. Okay, 74 kgs of rice he bought. Merchant bought 74 kgs of rice. But at what cost? 999. So 74 kgs of rice cost is 999. Next, he spent rupees 40 to bring to his shop. Okay, from to his shop he bring what? How much cost spent money? That is 40 rupees. Next, how much did he gain or loss if he sold the rice? If he sold the rice in retail at rupees 15 rupees 20 pice per kg. Per 1 kg 15 rupees 20 pice. He sold at that cost. He is getting loss or profit. Okay, we have to find profit or loss only. But here given 74 kgs of rice cost given and charges. Okay, he spent money for charges also. To his shop bring purpose also he money is spent. How much money spent here? 40 rupees. Okay, 999 rupees and 40 rupees. Add them first of all. Next, he sold the rice at 1 kg. 1 kg, 15 rupees 20 pice. He is getting loss or profit here. We have to find out here. First, what statements are given? First of all, we have to write here. First statement. First of all, cost of 74 kgs of rice. Means first cost price of 74 kgs of rice. How much? 999. Next, he spent money to his bring to his shop. That is 40 rupees. Okay, 40 rupees. Spent money for charges. Okay, nothing but that one, charges only. Charges. That is 40 rupees. Add them first. Add this one, Bhavani. First, you don't say answer. First, add this one. First, 999 plus 40 rupees. 9, 13, 10. 1039 rupees. 1039 rupees. Here, cost price of 74 kgs of rice. The cost price of 74 kgs of rice is 1039. No cost price. CP of rice. CP of 74 kgs of rice. Next here given, what given here? Selling price, total selling price not given. Selling price for 1 kg rice. Okay, selling price per 1 kg rice given. So selling price of, sold price of 1 kg of rice. 1 kg of rice. 15 rupees 20 pies. 15 rupees 20 pies. First, what we have to find out here? 74 kgs of rice. What sold price of 74 kgs of rice we have to find out here. Okay? Because of here 1 kg of rice sold price given. But what we want here? 74 kgs of rice selling price we want here. What we do? 74 into 15 rupees 25 multiply. Okay, 15 rupees 25 into 74 multiply. Dulan Satvik. Dulan Satvik. Where you are looking? Look at the board. Now, SP of 74 kgs of rice. SP means sold price or selling price. Now 15 rupees 20 pies into 74. We get? Multiply and say the answer. Do the multiplication. 4 zeros are 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 fives are 20, 4 fives are 20, 4 ones are 4, so 6 into 7 zeros are 0, 7 twos are 14, 7 twos are 14, 7 fives are 35, 35 36, next 7 ones are 7, 7 3 10, 0, 8, 4, 12, 1124 means 1124 rupees 80 pies. Okay, 1124 rupees 80 pies here. Okay, here getting loss or profit. This is the cost price. This is the selling price. Say children, here getting the merchant is getting loss or gain. 74 kgs of cost price is 1039 rupees. Next, 74 kgs of rice sold price. Selling price is 1124 rupees 80 pies. Here this merchant is getting profit or loss. Very good, Preeta. Profit. Okay. How much profit you have to find out. What is the profit formula? Profit equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 1124 rupees 80 pice minus 1039. Then we get subtraction. 85 rupees 80 pice. 85 rupees 80 pice. The merchant getting profit. Profit. First, cost price of 74 kgs of rice here given. Next, he spent money for charges 40 rupees. So, add them first. 1039 is 74 kgs of rice cost price. This is the. Okay, next selling price. Selling price we are given 74 kgs of rice selling price not given here. Only 1 kg rice only given. Okay, 1 kg rice cost price selling price only given. So we have to find out here 74 kgs of rice selling price. Find out first of all. After we know very well what here profit or loss. Cost price is 1039. Selling price is 1124 80 pice. Here getting merchant getting profit. Profit formula is selling price minus cost price. From selling price to cost price you subtract. Then we will get answer. Profit. What is the profit here? 85 rupees 80 pice. Okay. Did you understand? Sana. Okay. Next. If you have any doubt, okay, you can ask. Sana, Rizwan, Nirma. Ajay, what about you? When did you collect your worksheet? Tomorrow. Tomorrow I will start. Today only you come to school and take. Srishant, what about you? Worksheet. Srishant. K. Shivamani, on your video. Shivamani and Mallesh, Satvik, Vignesh, Rashekar Reddy. Tomorrow. Okay, Srishant tomorrow said. Shivamani, you? Bhaiya. By what, boy? Chevasai Teja, on your video. Tulasi, on your video. Meghana, Sanjay, on your videos. Meghana, Sanjay, Rashekar. I am coming today. Okay. Ajay, Tulasi, collect your worksheet, Sama. Sai Teja, you also take your worksheet. Okay? Tomorrow onwards, teachers will explain worksheet. Okay? Did you complete? Shall I erase children? Okay, next ninth one. Okay, once read the problem. What given here? A fruit seller bought 20 dozen of apples at the rate of rupees 38.40 pice. Okay, 38 rupees 40 pice per 1 dozen. Okay, per 1 dozen cost given here. Per 1 dozen 38 rupees 40 pice. But here the fruit seller brought 20 dozens of apples. Okay. Next here 15 apples were rotten during transit. Okay, in transit 15 apples are rotten. Okay, not good. 15 apples are not good. Next, he sold the remaining apples. 15 apples rotten. Remaining apples are he sold. At what price? Each one 4 rupees. Okay, each one 4 rupees. So find his gain or loss. Find the gain or loss. Profit or loss. Here only 20 dozen apples per 1 dozen cost given. 20 dozen apples here given. Next, first of all, we have to find out 20 dozen apples cost. Per 1 dozen cost, we know already. In textbook given, in problem given. So, we have to find out here easily 20 dozen apples cost. We can find out. Next, 15 apples are rotten. First, 20 dozens means how many apples? First of all, we have to find out here. 1 dozen means how many articles, how many things? 1 dozen. Do you know, children? 1 dozen. How many articles? Yes, very good. 12 articles. 12 things. Means the dozen apples means dozen, 12 apples. Okay, 12 apples. Okay, 20 dozens. 20 dozens means how many apples? 20 into 12. 12 to the 24, 240. Very good, Satvik. 240 apples. Okay. For 12 apples cost 38 rupees 45. So 20 dozens means 240 apples cost we have to find out. Next, in this one, 15 apples are rotten. So 15 apples are rotten. Means for 240, from 240, 15 apples are rotten. So subtract once from 240, 15 apples. From 240 apples, you subtract. Very good, 225. Very nice. 225 apples he sold. At what price? Each one cost 4 rupees. Now you multiply 225 into 4. Then is getting profit or loss we can find out easily. Okay? How can we do? How can we solve this problem? I will explain. Okay, children? Listen. And what statements you want to write here? I will say. First read the problem and understand. First of all, understand the problem and write the steps, meaningful steps from your problem only. What given in that problem first? First of all, what given in given problem? First of all, 20 dozen apples of 20 dozens of apples at the rate of rupees 38 rupees 40 pies given here. So first here 1 dozen cost price of 1 dozen. One dozen of apples. Rupees 38.45. Next here, how many dozens are given? 20 dozens are given. First 1 dozen equals how many articles? Right, first 1 dozen equals 12 articles. 20 dozens equal 20 dozens of apples equal to 20 into 12. That is 240 apples. Now from 240 apples, 15 apples are rotten. Okay? How many apples are rotten? 15 apples are rotten. Number of apples rotten. And 15. Now from 240, 15 subtract. 225. Okay, now 225 apples are good apples. Okay, now here the fruit seller what did? Remaining rotten apples, remaining apples are he sold. At what cost? Each one cost 4 rupees. Okay. Selling price. Selling price of one apple. That is 4 rupees. Here good apples are 225. 225 into 4. Selling price of 224 apples. SP of 225 apples. 225 into 4. Multiply. 4 rupees. 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8. 10. 4 2s are 8. 9. 900 rupees. Yes, 225 apples. Selling price is 900 rupees. Here 20 dozens 240. 240 cost price of 240 apples also we have to find out here. Okay, now I am writing here. $240 into 38 rupees 20 pice. Subtract. ₹768. 768 rupees. That is how can we get now? Here I am doing 38 rupees 20 pice into 240. Okay, last zeros we can write last also. Okay, first multiply 4 2s are 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 4 3s are 12, 12 to 14 into 2 zeros are 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7, 8, 4 plus 2 6, 10, 9, 16. Sorry. $20 apples. Here 1 dozen apple cost given, not 1 apple cost here given, 1 dozen apples cost given. So we have to find out 20 dozen apples cost only. Okay, 20 dozen apples here. So 20 into 38 rupees 25. Subtract these numbers. 20 dozens. 1 dozen cost given na? That's why 20 dozens cost we have to find out. Then we can find out 240 apples cost only. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 764 rupees. Here the fruit seller is getting loss or profit. Selling price of apples sold price is 900 rupees. Next cost price is 764 rupees. Here fruit seller getting profit or loss? Profit. Okay. So profit equal SP minus CP. SP is 900 minus CP is 764 rupees. 900 rupees minus 764 rupees. What is the answer? Subtract and say, children. Subtract from 900 to 764. Nine hundred from 764. 764 or 768. 6 and 9, 3 and 9 minus 7, 8, 1, 136 rupees. ₹40 here. 40 pies. So we get here 8. Sorry. So, what is the profit here? 132 rupees. Did you understand? If you have any doubt, once again I will explain this problem. Do you have doubt? Shall I explain once again? Your voice is clear only, boy. Once you check in your mobile. Srishant, log out and log in. Okay, see children, once again I will explain. Listen this problem again. Here cost of 1 dozen, cost price of 1 dozen apples cost given here. Okay, cost price of 1 dozen. 1 dozen apples cost price given. So I written that one only. Next here 20 dozen apples cost given. Cost price we have to find out. 20 dozen apples cost. That is 768 rupees. That is cost price of 20 dozen apples cost. That is okay, cost price of 20 dozen apples. Then here 20 dozens means how many? Why this one we are finding 20 dozens apples? 20 into 12, 240. Because here 240 apples, 15 were rotten. 15 apples are rotten. That's why 15 apples you subtract 225. Each one cost, and means each one selling price. He sold. Remaining apples are he sold. At what price? 4 rupees. Each one apple 4 rupees. So selling price of one apple 4 rupees. 225 apples into 4 rupees equal to 900 rupees. Here selling price is 900. Cost price is 768. Here fruit seller is getting profit. Selling price minus cost price. What is the answer? 132 rupees. He is getting gain. Okay. He is getting gain, that is 132 rupees. Okay students, next again I am taking mathematics class only. So continuation. So once you log out means I am ending the class. This now I am ending. Next again you open this link only. Did you understand? Open again this link only. Next class also I am only taking. Okay. Now I am ending.